Hello everybody, I present you a new milling machine made entirely with 3D printing technology. It's a classic 3-axis milling machine, and you can move all the parts with 3 screws. These one for Z-axis, X-axis and Y-axis. I will show you. I have put some oil between the parts. I suggest you to use this oil. It's very good for the lubrication of the parts. You have to put a lot of oil here between the screws and the moving parts, and also here under the table. And I suggest you also this glue to glue the other parts, like this top with the cover here. This milling machine is suitable for Dremel 3000, so you have to put Dremel here and block everything like this. You can block also the machine here with one screw here and another one here onto the table. I will show you how much could be precise this machine with a normal piece of wood. You can fix the piece of wood onto the table with this. Okay, we start. So that's the final result. If you want this milling machine and you have a 3D printer, you can go on www.mymillingfactory.com and take a look. You can download for free this item. Bye bye.